3 bedrooms, 1 level with a great meadow view and gorgeous Saddle Lake Farms. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty. Call on Colleen.
This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 18th of November. James Spann here, getting set for a few calm days. Looks like the next potential rain event will be early in the weekend, but up this way, beginning to look like it won't be much of a big deal. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, coming from Decatur. Lights there glistening off the waters of the Tennessee River up in Morgan County. There's our Gadsden Skycam overlooking the lights of the city of Gadsden up in Etowah County in northeast Alabama. And the Cullman Skycam focused on the Sacred Heart Church in downtown Cullman. Well, our deep upper low is near St. Louis this morning, slowly drifting north up toward Chicago, and with time that feature will lose its grip on our weather. And we are in a dry slot, so we see no chance of rain for the next several days. And this morning, you can pretty much pick out where the sky is clear and where the sky is cloudy. Where we've gone clear, we've got mid-30s. You got 36 now for Anniston and Montgomery, but temperatures are about 10 degrees warmer for Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, where clouds are in place. And today should be kind of a mix of sun and clouds, with the clouds gradually lifting out as the day progresses with that upper low drifting north. Rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Sunday evening. And no doubt the heaviest rain with that Gulf system this weekend will be on the Gulf Coast and down over South Alabama up this way. This is suggesting about 1/2 inch. Now let's look at modeling and see how it handles that. First off today, this is at noon off the 06, the 06 GFS. Upper low north of us, and again down below that, we are in a dry slot, so the rain will stay north and east of the state. And it should be a day with a mix of sun and clouds with a high in the upper 50s, so the weather stays cool. Tomorrow should be a bright sunny day with temperatures topping out in the low 60s. And Friday looks good with mid-60s and a sunny sky. And yep, there's our new low developing in the western Gulf down around South Padre Island. And that big rain mass will be moving east. And let's take a look at Saturday. There's the shortwave, which is down south, and down below the rain, mostly down south. Now you can see the heaviest rain from about Mobile Bay on south, and the GFS has the rain about as far north as Demopolis, Clanton, and Roanoke on Saturday. So for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, maybe a few raindrops, but looks like the bulk of the rain will stay down south. The day should be mostly cloudy, kind of a cool day, with a high close to 60. And then Sunday, the surface low moves northeast, and this is suggesting there could be some wraparound moisture for the eastern counties on Sunday. For now, we'll leave it dry. We'll just say becoming partly sunny on Sunday with a high in the low 60s. And next week, which is Thanksgiving week, let's take a look. Here's Monday. That should be a bright sunny day with temperatures in the 60s where they should be. Tuesday, look at that dynamic storm coming at us. Now, if we have moisture and instability involved, that might be a setup for some strong storms, and we'll have to watch that. Surface low shows up north of Memphis, and the timing, if that works in here Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday evening, there could be some pretty active storms. So that will be the day next week with our best chance of rain, and again, we'll have to watch out for those strong storms. Wednesday, that feature is on by. And this is the day before Thanksgiving, busiest travel day of the year. Take a look at your destination. Much of the country dry. New surge of cold air coming in up north. Little rain possible for New York City and Boston. That might be some issues with airport slowness up there. And Thanksgiving Day, look at the trough developing over the east. And by golly, if that's right, that's going to be a chilly Thanksgiving Day. Cold air advection, suggesting highs there only around 50 to 55, maybe holding in the 40s all day. Maybe some light snow around the Great Lakes. And Black Friday, Iron Bowl Friday, if this is right, would be cool and dry. Not as cold as recent runs we have seen. We've seen some runs colder than this. But again, for now, it looks like for Thanksgiving and the day after, just chilly, dry weather, kind of what you'd like to see for this time of the year. Let's go into December, 1st of December. Boy, good-looking shortwave there. That would be a setup for strong to maybe severe storms if that's right. And then the end of the forecast on the 3rd of December, by golly, another one is coming at us. And another stormy look and snowy there for the southern plain states. So again, that's your typical El Nino look with a series of these things coming at us. So it looks like things might be getting a bit more active toward the end of this month into early December. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And of course, if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.